Another laminate flooring project by Crown Construction here in the city of Agora Hills. This is an office which contains one lobby, which you're seeing right now, and then the additional two offices. We're going to be redoing all the flooring, removing the old commercial grade carpet and installing laminate flooring. And again, this is the before, obviously. And this office is pretty congested with things, a little bit difficult to see. Also going to be removing the few stones for the fireplace, even though it should be there, but the client does not want them there. So we're going all the way up to the wall. They will never use this fireplace. So that's what it is. Okay, continuing, finishing the removal. That's what it looks like. Alright, the finished project by Crown Construction with the actual flooring. All we need to do is touch up above the actual molding. Besides that, everything is done. As you can see, all the laminate flooring has been installed. This is again what it looks like. The finished product. Again, except the touch up above the molding, which you can see all the way around.